美财长耶伦表示，人工金融领域应用或带来重大风险。
AI offers tremendous opportunities for the financial system. And if we define AI broadly, the financial services sector has already been capitalizing on these opportunities. For many years, the predictive capabilities of AI have supported forecasting and portfolio management. AI's ability to detect anomalies has contributed to efforts to combat fraud and illicit finance. Many customer support services have been automated. Specific vulnerabilities may arise from the complexity and opacity of AI models. Inadequate risk management frameworks to account for AI risks, and interconnections that emerge as many market participants rely on the same data and models. Concentration among vendors developing models, providing data, and providing cloud services may also introduce risks, which could amplify existing third-party service provider risks. And insufficient or faulty data could also perpetuate or introduce new biases in financial decision-making.